So we're dealing with tabular statement depreciation. So when you have depreciation, there's three different things that we need to take into account. Okay, so we need to calculate the expense, okay, of the building, provision for depreciation, and we need to also ask ourselves, how much is the thing that we're depreciating worth? So in our example here, land and buildings are worth 960, including land worth 60. So that means that the thing that we're depreciating is 900,000. And we're depreciating building 2%. So the expense, which is included in our profit and loss reserve, is going to be 900,000 times the percent depreciation, so it's 2%. Okay. So 18,000 is going to be the expense. Now, that expense is a minus, so I'm just going to put that in there as a minus because that reduces our profit because it's a new expense. Okay. And then the provision for depreciation. So this is all the depreciation over all the years that we've owned the item. So it would be listed in the assets as a minus. So we'll start off with minus 30 grand, okay, which is the provision we have at the beginning. And then we have another 18 grand, which is added to that, so another 18. So that means that the overall depreciation is minus 48,000. The provision is minus 48,000. So in my balance sheet, I'll have 960 for land and buildings. I'll have a minus in my profit and loss reserve of 18, and I'll have a provision for depreciation. The figure now is minus 48. The figures that I'm actually going to put in here is the 18,000. This is what goes into the monthly transactions. Minus 18,000 in the provision and minus 18,000 in the depreciation expense.